Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove screen time data on your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon on your device to open up the settings menu. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your Pixel phone, including the screen time tracking features we need to access. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. This section controls all the applications installed on your device and their permissions, which is essential for managing how your screen time data is collected and stored. Now locate and tap on screen time from the list of apps. This is the built-in feature that tracks how much time you spend on your phone and individual applications, providing insights into your daily usage patterns. Next, look at the upper right corner of the screen and tap the three dots. This will open a menu with additional options related to your screen time settings, giving you more control over how this data is managed. From the menu that appears, tap on Manage Your Data. This option is specifically designed to let you control what usage information is being collected and how it's being stored on your device. You'll now see an option labeled Daily Device Usage. Right beside it, you'll notice a toggle button. Go ahead and tap this toggle to turn it off. By disabling this feature, you're stopping your Pixel from automatically tracking your overall device usage on a daily basis. After you turn off the toggle, a confirmation message will appear on your screen asking you to confirm this action. Tap Turn Off in Settings to proceed. This ensures that the system registers your preference and stops collecting this particular type of data moving forward. Now, to complete the process and remove screen time tracking at the app level, select an app from the list. For this example, we'll use Google, so go ahead and tap on it. This step is important because it allows you to control data collection for individual applications rather than just the overall system. Once you've opened the app settings, look for the toggle button next to Permit Access to App Usage Data and tap it to turn it off. Disabling this permission prevents the selected app from accessing and reporting your usage statistics, giving you more privacy and control over your data. And that's it! You've successfully removed screen time data tracking on your Google Pixel by disabling both the daily device usage feature and individual app access to usage data. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.